Hello, and welcome to Kingdom Harvest GoFundMe initiative. You may be asking, who is Kingdom Harvest? Well, Kingdom Harvest is a nonprofit organization that has served the Roswell community going on 5 years. They host many programs, including a women's abuse recovery center that helps women and children escaping from abusive situations, a daycare facility that supports children ages 6 weeks to 3 years old, and also an after-school program. We also provide resources and rehabilitation for troubled teens, as well as empowerment for men and families abroad. We are asking that you come alongside us and partner for the renovation of our property that we may further service the Roswell area. The renovations would include a complete overhaul of our parking lot, our driveway, and our landscaping grounds, and it would also incorporate a playground facility for children that would be open to both the community at large and also to our daycare and after-school programs. We know that it takes money to move vision, so we're asking that you partner with us as we continue to serve the community with excellence. Thank you, and God bless.